What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you with another cryptocurrency stream, and there has been a lot of price action over the last few days. Bitcoin pumped all the way up to $12,500, then had a bit of a runoff all the way down to $11,800 with a wick, and now is remaining stable at around just under $12,000, sitting around $11,979. Guys, if that sounds good to you, be sure to subscribe and like, and I'm going to dive right into the price action. So guys, basically over the last month, since the beginning of August, we had a little bit of a downtrod, touching all the way down to 11,134, and then a channel, an ascending wedge, which is going up. We broke out of it for a brief moment at some resistances here, broke out of it, turned into support, broke up back into the wedge, hit the top of the channel here. This is very interesting, guys, because I formed this so long ago. I formed this back here. It's very interesting that it's holding respect here. Got all the way up to this top resistance of this channel, had another breakdown, broke through a support at 12,000, and now are sitting basically right at 12,000. Got supported by 11,800 again. Okay, guys? So that's a very good sign. I think that if we continue this trend upward, like if we drew a line right here, okay, something like this, we're still in a very good place. Okay, we could still just definitely be moving up, especially if we retest the $12,200 level again. That would be a very good sign, and that we could end up bullish for the end of the month for sure. We want to see it testing towards 13,000, okay, guys? The sooner we get up to those levels, the sooner we can say, hey, we're in a new bullish trend. We've pushed out of some old times. It has been a bull market, and we can confirm all these things that we keep pushing up towards 13. Why? Because if we get up to 13, push towards 14, and we put in a higher high than last year, say, that would be very good. So we still have a little bit to go here just to get to the top of this wick, but you know, we want to be able to push through these things, push through these resistances, and continue moving up basically. So I think that we're still in a very good place. You know, we're not too worried about a breakdown right now, but guys, I can't help but stress, remember there is a CME futures gap all the way down here. So I think someday we will fill it again, and I think that'll just be a great opportunity to accumulate again, because I don't think we're going to see too much price action below 10,000 anymore. The only chance that'll happen is we get a big flash crash, like we hit a peak and then there's a big crash again. But it's not looking very probable, and especially if we end up on, you know, finishing the cycle on the Plan B layout. Okay, we can end up at $100,000 by the end of 2021. Now, do I think that's actually going to happen? Guys, it really might, because we're in the first bull market since the last 2017 run-up, which went from $1,000 to $20,000. Imagine if it does something like that again, say we could get a 10x, we could end up above $100,000. Okay, we could end up at $120,000 to $140,000. So I really believe it. I think it can happen. I think you just have to be prepared for it, accumulating your bags in these lower times. I've been saying it for months, guys. If you're not accumulating now, you're going to be regretting it. And I bet you some of you are already regretting it right now. Okay, guys, just with the current price at 11,947. Okay, so if you've been accumulating even in the 10s or the 9s, you're happy right now and feeling comfortable and in the green. So I think that as the end of the year rolls around, I think there's going to be a lot more hype. Hopefully we'll get a little bit more push to the upside, and hopefully some closes for the month in the green, which is what we're looking for sure. And I want to talk a little bit more about how the Bitcoin bull market is confirmed, says Plan B, and the RSI repeats the 2016 halving. So definitely some excitement building around the Plan B BTC strong lookout. The RSI is used to determine whether Bitcoin is overbought or oversold at a specific price point. Current behavior mimics that of the previous halving cycles, with 2012 and 2016, both seeing solid RSI scores accompany a price run shortly after the halving event itself. So Bitcoin looking strong, RSI 64, bull market confirmed, Plan B wrote. And then here's the chart right here, guys. It built a relative strength index of the RSI. So here we are right here. We're on our third red dot. Okay, so that's showing some good strength. And as BTC has surprised commentators by retaining 12,000 support after another attempt at securing the level suddenly succeeded on Monday. At press time, the situation was beginning to show signs of strength, with a fall bouncing at just 12,020. Earlier, Cointelegraph reported the consensus building around 13,000 and 14,000 as the next significant levels, overcoming which could trigger a serious push toward new all-time highs. Okay, guys, so there's definitely some talk of some highs coming right around the corner. I think that we could end up hitting 13 to 14,000. It's just a matter of time. And these little pullbacks, guys, you can't get weeded out by them. You can't get scared. If you got into Link recently, guys, it has it having a little bit of a drop back. It looks like $16 is going to be the bottom for that. Hopefully it does not break down into the $15. I just wanted to warn everybody. Saw a lot of comments about people buying and accumulating. Guys, if you are accumulating these coins at these highs, that's okay. I think they're going to end up much higher than where they are now, but there might be some downtime over the next several months where you're in the red a little bit, so just keep that in mind. For instance, I did some chasing on Ox. I was able to do 4 trades in the positive and then had 1 trade which just, this was a, never do this, guys. This was a mistake on my part. I'll openly admit it right here. I bought in at night, went to sleep, came back in the morning, it crashed. Never do that, okay? Buy, watch it, okay? If you're buying, watch it. Make sure you're paying attention. Make sure you're watching what's going on. In case there's a flash crash and you need to get out, you don't want to get stuck in a coin where you're down thousands of dollars. That's just the worst feeling, okay? And that happened to me. So, you know, even with a 98% win rate, guys, it happens to the best of us. So, you know, you can't jump off a bridge when you have these bad feelings or, you know, really throw yourself under the bus. Just, you know, work at it, continue to work back, make better trades next time and work for it. And that's all I've learned how to do, guys, is just continue to work and make better trades all the time. And when you make a mistake, learn from it and move forward. And guys, that's all I have time for today. If you haven't subscribed yet, do consider it. I am doing a giveaway for my Ledger Nano S for one of my first 500 subscribers. All you have to do is be subscribed to be part of that giveaway. And guys, if you're not subscribed yet, this is the channel that can help you make more money on your trades, help you get better at trading in general. And guys, that's what I do for a living. I teach people how to trade cryptocurrency. And if you're looking at going the extra mile, I do give lessons for $100 an hour, and I'm happy to teach at any level. This is all I do, guys. So if you're new or if you're advanced, I can definitely help you out and make more money. And feel free to inbox me at bitcoindeathstar@gmail.com, and I'll respond to you promptly. Guys, that's all I have time for today. Thank you for tuning in. I am Crypto Matrix. I'll catch you guys later.